Hey guys, so today I wanted to do this video kind of starting a new series on my channel about things that I have learned. So today I am going to show you how to make a grocery list. Now I know this is something that I think most people are probably like, well, it's obvious how to make a grocery list. It's not that hard, it's not that deep. When I was first living on my own with my boyfriend, there was a lot of trial and error when it came to making grocery lists. And that is just something that I think happens with a lot of people, and I think still a lot of people end up going to the store and they forget a lot of things that they need, or they buy too much, or they veer off their list too much, or they can't really remember all the recipes they want to make or the meals they want to make or whatever, or they don't even have like a meal plan for the week. I'm going to show you how I like to make my grocery list so that they stay really organized and it's easy to follow and you don't really have to worry that much about anything. Let's get started. So the first thing that I like to do when I'm starting a grocery list, I usually do this on Saturday nights because I know that we go grocery shopping on Sundays. Do it the night before you're gonna go grocery shopping or the day before so you kind of have a clear idea. So the first thing that I like to do is I literally just Google healthy recipes. So I know that I kind of have like an idea, right? Delish.com has 70 easy healthy dinner ideas, and you just get on here and you can look and see more or less what their ideas are, which is really nice. So after looking at recipes online that look really good, then it's time to actually make your meal plan for the week. I usually just worry about doing 3 to 5 dinners depending on the week and what we have going on and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do our meal plan, which is going to be, one night is going to be chicken Alfredo zoodles, another night is going to be turkey tacos, and another is going to be salmon with rice and veggies. I'm only doing these 3 meals for the week because that's all we really need for this week, because that's what we need for the week. So then what I like to do is I like to break up each of these things into different sections. So the first one being produce. So I know that I'm going to do zucchini because obviously we're having zoodles, so I know zucchini is something that we're gonna need. I also know I'm gonna need some avocado for the turkey tacos. I know I'm gonna get some like salsa or something. I'm gonna get some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna get some romaine for like salads and stuff. I need some limes. I need broccoli. I'm gonna get some cauliflower, rice, asparagus. I think that's going to be it for produce. I'm also going to add hummus to this. After produce, I usually go to the meat section. Now, if you don't eat meat, then you don't even have to worry about this, but we eat meat. So I'm going to add chicken because I know I'm going to need chicken for one dinner this week and for my lunch. So I'm going to get chicken breast, and then we're going to get ground turkey because I know, again, we need ground turkey for turkey tacos. I'm going to get some turkey bacon for my breakfast, and then we also need some deli meat for my boyfriend's lunch. So you can see that this is like all organized. So whenever you're in the actual store, when you first walk in, usually you first walk into like the produce section, so you can easily check off your entire produce list, and then from there you're going to go into the meat section and you can easily check off everything in your meat list. After that, I like to go into the aisles and kind of go between aisles and dairy depending on where it's at. So the other thing that I like to do before I go grocery shopping, before any of that, is I go through the produce and everything that's in the fridge and in the pantry, not just produce, but like everything I have in my fridge and in my pantry, so that I can make sure that whatever I'm buying isn't gonna be repeats. I'm not gonna be wasting any food that I currently have. So just go through that after you make your list and kind of like check off what you already have. So if you write down that you need broccoli, but you go in there and you already have broccoli, then just cross that off your list. You don't need to buy more of that. If, you know, your broccoli's obviously gone bad or going bad, buy some more. You know what I mean? The other thing that I like to do is make a snacks list, and doing that will help me and my boyfriend kind of stay on track. Because we'll know more or less what snacks we want, and we won't be just mindlessly walking around the grocery store trying to find what snacks we might want. And when you do aimlessly just walk around a grocery store, you start throwing stuff in your basket that you don't really need. If you're shopping for an entire household, that means kids, husband, kids, just make sure that everybody's cool with what you're making for the week, because nothing is worse than making something and the people you make it for don't really like it. So just make sure that everything that you're kind of listing out for the week that you're going to be making for your family is stuff that they're all going to actually like and stuff that they're actually going to want to eat. Because if it's something that they've never had, maybe they'll like it. You need to make sure that the other days of the week they have stuff that they know that they're going to like. So if, yeah, you throw in zoodles on Wednesday, they know that they're still going to have tacos on Tuesday, and they're still going to have spaghetti on Thursday. So they know that it's something kind of different, kind of new, but it's not something that's so outrageous like having something new every single day of the week. So grocery shopping doesn't have to be that hard. You don't have to worry about going over on your budget. You kind of more or less know how much you're going to spend because everything is broken down really easy and really in a way that you can simply follow it. You don't have to worry about going over or throwing stuff into your basket or not even remembering what you're going to have for the week, because on your actual grocery list, you already have your dinners for the week written down. So like if you did forget to write something down and you stumble across it, like if you forgot to write zucchini down and you're going through the produce and you see zucchini, you know to get that because you know you're gonna have zucchini noodles. You know what I mean? You know? But if you didn't have a meal plan for the week, then it'd be a lot easier for you to just like throw stuff into your basket, forget things, or just abandon cooking altogether and just go pick up fast food, because God knows I like to do that because it's just easy and I don't have to worry about cooking. I thought that this would be kind of a different video than the ones that I normally make. This is something that I've had to learn kind of by trial and error, but doing this is really going to help you stay within your budget that you set for the week. If you guys like this kind of video and you want more of it, then subscribe, hit the thumbs up, do all the things, and let me know down below if you actually like these types of videos, if this was helpful to you, what you think. If you have a completely different way of making a grocery list, what do you do? Let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching. And I have a special announcement coming up this Sunday, April 1st. So be here to watch that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you April 1st. Sunday, April 1st, on Easter. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!